How to use Easypaisa without internet. On internet, everyone is looking for an option to use Easypaisa without internet. Today we will see how we can use it. There are two types of code that can be uses. For Telenor number, *7886#. For other networks, *2262#. In my case, I have Zong, so I will use *2262#. In first step, the window will appear and follow the steps in all windows as I did all. Fill all the required fields by using codes given. And you can see I can use Easypaisa without internet using USSD codes.